I am pretty excited right now because I have a big announcement. I want to bring Balance University to the masses. I have spent the better part of 5 years putting all of this together and all the research that's gone into it. I want to make sure that as these seniors age, 10,000 Americans turn 65 every day, right? There's going to be some need for some balance classes, and especially as guys are wanting to live at home longer, this is going to be extremely important that these seniors have somewhere to go to get that balance work, that knowledge, right? So this is what I want to do. Balance University really is comprised of about 3 different books. You have the Balance University 10-week program, that's the guide, okay? And then you also have an instructor's manual, and we also have the book of balance that explains a lot about balance. Now that book is not quite finished, but we're pretty close. It'll be done very, very soon. We're going to give you a business in a box, okay? And this is for $75 a month. This is totally transparent. There's nothing to hide here. As an instructor, as a fitness professional, what you're going to get, you're used to standing in front of people. You're used to talking with people about their fitness, and maybe you have some seniors in your community and you want a little bit of support, a little bit of credibility. We're going to give you Balance University in the box. What does that include? Well, you're going to get Balance University books at a huge discounted rate, right? And then you'll be able to sell those to your students or participants, okay? Next, what you're going to do is I have shot and made over 100 videos on my YouTube channel, Emeritus Health, on the YouTube channel. Those videos are lectures that have covered cardiovascular disease and balance, shoes and falls, joint replacements and falls, even nighttime and falls. What about incontinence and falls, right? All these different issues that you could possibly imagine, neurological diseases and falls. All of that is done in a lecture and a video that as a business partner for Balance University, you're going to have access to. Not only that, but those actual notes, those research notes that I made for those lectures, I have uploaded onto the Balance University website. You will have access to that research, to all of that knowledge, the videos, the notes, the research articles. You will have access to all those. And guess what? I've already highlighted all the important things. So if you have someone, a student that comes to class and you're not sure how to handle COPD, go to the website. There's a research article already done that you can print out, and now you can go through and research. Not only that, but you can watch the video of the lecture that I had given. There's pre-recorded classes, over 20 pre-recorded classes on the website you'll have access to. And by the way, we're loading up stuff more and more every week, every month, okay? You're going to get the Book of Balance. You're going to get the Instructor's Manual, which takes you through step by step on how to teach Balance University. So let's say you're in a continuing care retirement community and you have an employee that wants to teach the class. This Balance University in a box, you literally, as long as you have just the tiniest bit of knowledge, you can take it and teach Balance University. And if you're not sure then, we're going to offer 24-hour support. Guys, you're going to get that 24-hour support, that business support. $75 a month. Think about it. If you had 8 students to start the class, right, you charge them $10 a class. That's about the going rate here in Naples, 10 to 12 bucks. In most places, from what I found, that's about the rate. Some of you guys may be a little bit more, a little bit less, but let's use 10. Let's make it easy. That's at 8 students, that's $320 a month, right? When they get done with the 10-week program, you're going to turn them right into the graduates program. So if you're meeting at 10 a.m. on Friday, and week 10, they've completed the 10-week Balance University program, they will be doing the graduates program at 10 a.m. on Friday the very next week. Let's retain these guys, right? Balance is not something that you accomplish. It's something that you have to do every day. And with 10,000 Americans turning 65 every day, as instructors, as fitness professionals, we need to be there to support this mass group of people, these baby boomers that are getting older, okay? The graduates program, I've already written over 100 workouts in the graduates program, right? There's 52 weeks in a year, so you've got more than enough to keep yourself busy for a couple of years, all right? Business in a Box, Balance University in a Box at $75 a month. If you're an instructor, let's say you're an activities director, maybe you're managing a nursing home of some sorts, give me a call, right? Okay, guys.